Alright, dog. Me check her later.
Alright, cool. That's your word.
Sorry, Manuela, you just have to walk off like that, like you can't see you not see me. I gave my number on my account if you come check me. You can come to my house later on. I want to tell you something.
Dog, can't go walk with Melissa because me know your husband, you know.
Go and play hard for get Manuel.
Hey, big old girl, move from me gate with your bag of excitement now. You have a husband. Move from me gate now, idiot girl. Like you don't know who you are. Who that girl I think she really a deal with?
Me not gonna away.
Oh, you think me I play with your girl? Come here, come here. Come here know who you think you deal with. Like you don't know my name. Next time I buy you a wig off a wish. Oh, I'm there, remember my name. Pensia, girl.
So, Mom, you understand how me I try say, right?
Of course, me understand Daniel after me an idiot. But I want leave everything today, Anna. The whole house and everything. I want she have somewhere to come when she come back to Jamaica.
You sure that you want to? You sure Daniel will tell the truth? You sure him not gonna leave everything to his kids?
Daniel, you can show me all of the paperwork and everything before I sign it, right? I just want to see everything because I know only day and I may leave stuff for.
Mommy, did you forget? Did you forget you take money from the pastor, Noel father? Your own family. You know him gonna expect something from you. Maybe this house. What if him bring the and go to court? What you gonna do about it? Jency, are you alright? Listen, me, I gonna make you something to eat. Alright? And when I go to town, me I go buy you 2 patty and a cocoa bread. Your favorite. No worry, mommy, I gotta deal with everything for you. I gotta make sure you're alright.
Thank you so much, Leon. I really appreciate it.
No worry, mommy, I'll do anything for you. Mommy, may I leave? May I come back tomorrow? Come, may I talk about the paperwork, alright? Dwayne say I come too, so I have to pick him up. And then I got half a tree to deal with some things.
Alright, Daniel.
There's something I would like to know. Why you hanging around my mother so long? I know that Noel is the one that hired you for clean up the house and everything, but why are you still here? I don't like that, man. I really rate Tensia. She been really good to me. No what you think. But I know so it go. I would have never used Tensia, I promise you. I couldn't do that either way, because I would have hurt you.
Daddy, Mommy is waiting on you. In the car, she said she need to leave.
Alright, Clay, come, soon come. Tell your mother I'll be right there, okay? Just give me a few more minutes, I'm gonna come, alright?
Alright, Daddy. I'm gonna tell her that. Okay?
You can see that, you see that. My mother is slowly losing her mind, and if you're here to take advantage of her, your death will be slow and very painful. I just want to make you know that. Don't ramp with me. I'm not play when it comes to my mother. You hear me, youth?
Daddy, me never tell you to go clean up the kitchen. Why you there ride on your bicycle and me tell you to clean up the kitchen? You look up, boy. How much time I have to talk to you? Why you so hard at hearing? And don't give me that look there. You think you can take me for an idiot like your papa? The way your name again? The way your name down the damn place? What we gonna have left for eat, eh? You never eat cereal already this morning. You can't eat half all life food them. You think you alone living here? Look by here when you walk out here jiggle. Eh? Look how you get big. And then I turn doctor, don't you?
May I try to move me? But I have to study some more still. Yeah. You want me to do something for you?
Not have to do a thing for me. Just keep doing what you do. You're gonna make me rich.
What you say, mommy? We're gonna live in a rich place, big house, everything, right? No worry, man. But definitely gonna get that same, mommy.
7-bedroom mansion. You do, You don't know that way I say? That you gonna do for your mommy? They say, that's what I'm read.
Then see ya. Oh, no food on the on the stove.
Give me money for put food on the stove. Look for when me I ask if you buy food and you don't give me the money.
Tell you already, things kinda run slow. Why you love war with me, You don't know I love you. I love you and the boy them. Why you not calm down a little bit? Why you always a cuss and vex up yourself? Come on, Tensia. Just work with me, no man.
Go work with your mama.
That's not nice.
No, I'm sick and tired of it. You're not doing anything. You're not contributing to the house. Then you come and ask for dinner. You're not a behavior.
Bartender, can I have a shot of that Jamaican rum?
Georgia, man, you can't buy me one.
For a pretty girl like you, of course.
Mommy, what you bring back for me? I'm hungry.
Me not bring back nothing, but me have money and me I go send Daniel go to the shop for buy with something for eat. Alright? So what everybody want for dinner? Want oxtail? Curry goat? Or no?
Oxtail, mommy, please. Please. Me have oxtail in a while.
Easy not doing. Mommy, give me the money, my boy.
Make sure you don't make that shopkeeper to take all that money again. So me eat that girl lazy, man.
I really love you, the Tensia. Come home to some oxtail.
Yeah, something where you never buy and me that for go look out feet and go buy it. You for shame. Tomorrow me I go on the road, go deal with some more if you watch the kids them for me, alright? Don't leave them by themselves like the last time. Cause you know they didn't have no damn behavior or gonna get trouble.
Tensia, come here. Come, you want to make another baby with me?
What's your damn idiot? Me now want more pitney with you. You don't even help me feed the tree where you have right now. You must see mad. Go on your bed. Me not give you nothing, boy.
Donovan, when you come live with us. But don't want to raise this baby by myself, Donovan, please. Promise you that I left the mad skeletons here. Come now, man.
We soon leave her, don't worry.
Just hurry up and do it, alright?
Alright, my love. I'm gonna leave her for you. I will be a happy family, alright? Don't worry about that thing. We just have to sort out some things first.
God, my back hurt me. Oi.
Come on, we'll go in the room and sort you out. Me make you feel better.
So, Daddy, how you doing in school? You get good grades? What you deal with?
2 girls in my class like me off. 2 of them.
I get 100 on my test today, mommy. Maths, me get 80%. And English, about 90. So yeah, me do really good. Science kinda difficult still, but I feel like me go easy too. Don't worry, mommy. Me gonna make you proud.
Boy, at least one out now do good. That one day what they saw him can chat boy girl. And that one day what they saw him want do and yam. That's why I'm so proud of you, Daniel. Everything you do, you just do it great. We just love and respect you. Nah lie. You do really well.
Well, go on everybody. What you cook Tensia? Which part of my plate there? I'm hungry bad.
You must think say me a idiot, eh? Where did it last night? Me know say out with alcohol.
Why every time I come in here, you have to start argument? Me can't just get my breakfast and done.
Breakfast? You're not even helping me with your picnic them here about breakfast.
That's not fair, Tensia. I contribute to this house. You know that. Come on, stop going so.
Me for stop going so? You forget say I'm my father by this house? Eh? You must think say me an idiot.